We all know that the more effective our prompt is, the more organized and perfect result we will get from the LLMs, right? Now, the LLMs that we use in our day-to-day life, such as ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude, they can give you a very generic answer if you don't prompt them correctly, right? So there is a very special option of Claude, that is Claude Skills. So in this video today, I will demonstrate how you can effectively use Claude Skills to optimize your prompting and at the same time save a lot of time. So say for example, I have landed over my Claude interface. Make sure that you are signed in into your account, and let me just grab a problem here for demonstration purpose. So this is a physics related problem related to electric field. So let me just copy it using my snipping tool, and if I just copy it and paste it in my Claude, then if I press enter now, it would definitely give me an answer, but that answer will be very generic, right? But instead of doing this, let me give it a more optimized prompt. Let's just say that analyze this problem and I want you to give me a solve of this problem. Now don't jump into solving directly and don't just show me mathematical calculations. I want you to analyze this problem and then do the following things. First, give me a list of the concepts that I need to know in order to solve this problem. Then explain those concepts in very short. After that, dive into the calculations and then give a very in detail mathematical calculations stepwise. Finally, give a real life analogy as well so that I can understand the problem very easily. And last but not the least, try to provide related diagrams so that I can easily visualize it. So now if I give this prompt to Claude, it would give me a very good result. So let's just hit enter now. Okay, so now we can see that Claude has generated a very good response and just followed the steps that I have gave it. Now there are a lot of problems in here, right? So do you think that I'm going to prompt Claude every time when I need to solve these problems? Actually, no. Here comes Claude Skills. I can just now tell Claude to develop a skill using which it can solve each and every problem, right? So I'm just simply going to tell Claude that I loved the approach how you solve this entire problem. Now create a skill named as problem solving skill using which you would solve all the problems related to this problem set. Okay, so as you can see that Claude has created a skill.md file here, and it has briefly wrote what this skill is about and how it would approach each and every physics related problem I will give it. Okay, so all you need to do is just create on save skill here. You can click on any one of the two, that's totally fine. So since we are seeing the skills.md file here, let me just click here, save skill, or you can also create here. So let me just click on save skill. Okay, so now what happened is Claude automatically saved this skill in its memory. So now here is the real magic. Let me give it another mathematical problem, say for example this one, and if I just likewise copy this using the snipping tool and then paste it into Claude, here I'm going to write backslash, and as soon as I press backslash, you can see that here is our problem solving skill, right? So I can just press enter here, select the skill, and then type Claude that use this skill to solve this problem, and you are good to go. Okay, so see that in this response, Claude has used the problem solving skills structure and then effectively gave me the solution just like before, and it's drawing the diagram as well. So yes, this way, you can just optimize your prompting skills and use Claude Skills to save a lot of time and do tasks that you often do in a repetitive pattern. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more upcoming videos like this. I will see you in the next one.